Hello and welcome to our showing. Let me introduce our Microsoft Dynamics NAV vertical solution for construction business, NAV4Construction. This solution is made by NPS, the leading Serbian Dynamics partner with big experience in manufacturing and construction. As part of Microsoft Dynamics NAV family, this solution can expand your ERP to all complex construction businesses. Building construction, civil engineering and road construction, gas, oil, electrical and water supply construction, and all manufacturing processes connected with construction and automated cost accounting as well. Our NAV4Construction vertical solution covers the following areas: project details, quantity surveyor section with bill of quantity, cost and resource accounting, project tracking, mechanization and vehicle tracking, inventory and resource posting, cost and quantity calculation, AIA billing, and analysis and reporting. Now, let me show some of standard features of module. First, I will show the basic project features. You can see a completely new role center, one of 4 new, 2 for managers and 2 for operators. Take a look at one project. We can notice a lot of different information, from some basic information about project, through project CRM and plane, to very complex data about posting, project duration, tender information, complex project setup, and so on. Preparing bill of quantity is one of the most important and very complex jobs for quantity surveyors. Construction projects are very complex and every time very specific and different. Each project success depends from this job. In conditions of increased competition, in which builders now have to rally, for years the standard deviation of 5 or 6% is no longer acceptable. For today's conditions, from 1 to 2% is too much. Because of that, we cannot make manually calculation or using Excel, for example. It is big possibility to make a wrong calculation. Or we can use some non-integrated specific programs, but in this case, we have not actually information of cost. Because of that, in our module NAV4Construction, we have bill of quantity, which is completely integrated with inventory costing, inventory quantity and resource costing. Using these features, we can easily calculate our prices and cost in margin 1 and margin 2, and finally price using automated calculation or integrated price list. Construction projects are very complex and it is big challenge how to evident and post each inventory and resource consumptions and all outputs as well. In this process, we use a lot inside or off-site manufacturing and construction processes. There are all ERP natural processes, and the best solution is putting them directly to the ERP. In NAV4Construction, we can use different options for posting inventory and resource consumptions and positions output. In one of them, we can post all these informations in the same time. This is an output order with a lot important values. The same situation is on all construction projects, from civil engineering to building construction. Sometimes you can use your PC for posting all these informations, but sometimes you must be on site and must be mobile. In this case, we want to use tablets. With Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015, this is normal situation, and the same situation is with NAV4Construction. You can use tablet when you need it for all processes. For example, to see a list of all output orders, to add some additional information to one of them, or maybe check all finished book of quantities. On the end of months, system can easily calculate all books with quantities to give them to supervisor for all or for only one project. In NAV4Construction, we only need to run a command and type project and period. System will calculate all of that automatically. You can see this document with all necessary information or print it as hard copy. When we finish all activities in month, we should invoice them. Standard NAV invoice system is not appropriate for construction. In construction, we need method of construction percentage of completion contract billing, called AIA billing. Our solution can provide AIA billing method using situation document. This document is based on project and periods. Document shows all previously and currently invoiced quantities and values using cumulative showing. Document can be printed or exported to Excel for additional customizations. As one of the most important things, we need quality reporting system. In our module, in NAV, there are a lot of different reports and analyses. But you can also use a BI reporting, especially created for NAV4Construction. There are a lot of very useful tables and charts. And this is a tool which you can create your own reports. NAV4Construction is currently available on following versions: Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2009, both on Classic and RTC client, Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013 and Microsoft Dynamics 2013 R2, and finally Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015. Module is available for ordering in following countries: worldwide on English language, Serbia, Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, and through partners network who can translate module on other languages. More about NAV4Construction you can find on blog NAV4Construction.wordpress.com, on mps.rs and NAV4Construction.net. Thanks for watching this video about NAV4Construction. This video is prepared by MPS.